then banotin ka ko memory ko men chapter to bano ko forgetting so forgetting part ka chapter ram wonde mo ci ko da ko la ne but a lesson wala sa ngoko ba balat ba ngoko mo ma de ten bu ci umat ken mo da ba wa ka ba on yamba ko do bi do mo ba no kala no ka tan chapter da ko ken so mera content wala forgetting ba like a meaning and a concept of forgetting so can tell what definition so the definition forgetting just ka to mo arme ko na lat ko da ko la ro perwech la ma kala ndo ro ke je jan me ci do se perwech bo na ma ta forget jan hara na ran man ran la ri to mo ra so but along take duk to wanda da ran do ran perwech ke kan ban ko re jan ko ne so ka definition ta la da ko cha la apparent loss of information that means a lot of information that are already encoded in the long-term memory. So this means that forgetting most of the time information that are long-term memory but you lose karaoke. And information which are encoded because you can all the process is staying down one at least you can can all those state the alta kon ku memory ku na ngare ka no she encode she nang she auto process then we store and run she try so can do information no can encode my chat so most of the information then are encode you can process the memory you can get so the janta Ramadan kon je study janan ta gor ko no German psychologist karme chala Herman somewhere Ibingas ke dio ko jolo ta so most psychologists no they have chikela long I mean ka German long ne father of psychology chala wons around German so gwame an wala mbarwatin man sama ko real ka wala zero forgetting kanang dh fay ma kan zoom to daran forgetting dan la ka duk dang dh so banan ko kala menam kiyo kon which menam ya decay ala decay zero adokel da kon memory da kon parwege da mi chale interference da tin bo adokel da mi chale replacement of whole memory by new one ki di shall be displacement zero mi chale motivating forgetting ke cue dependent forgetting chana to menam mi chale decay zero that simply ngai ko na wo mi chi do mi chi la law chi rat ke je ala chi pa lu ke let's say ta ta ko mi chi wo gor mo na ta kelat so chi ko gor an ngai ke je teacher so chi ko ba chi book den ke dong chi ko gor pe tele bok nan mi chi ban pal pin wan mo la ki ne wudu ki ne balaten so ko ko jo ga ko ne dar bar wo de gwa chi la ten so ku ala ne ma forget wala to ku just door chi tam chi wa la ko chi tam jo wa so donc kini wudu kini ma ten so ba fade out la ba bad widu ba na ma forgetting one way me that and door for you so that memory fade with time if that not exactly this one is very good ala memory ba ka tak ala me chi donc we tam me chi jan donc kini ma wudu ma loy tin na mo ba cha de kai sure chi de kai de jan wudu that means de kai la chi tam de wa so ko chi use chi wudu chi amana reason okay so what is important here the trace simply fade away with nothing left behind because of passage of time don't time attack so chi ta cho kin wudu ma na ten to bu number 1 mara very important chala interference zero ala interference deep forgetting ala ta ka duk da to go ti da ko no ke da ala ta ngai kon ni chi wa cha ta wan ra wala dio la kan riya ku jan ko ala le dam chi ko ni chi ba gor ba ji yoda ka dong chi ba gor ta karam bo mura jiga ka ko bi man ko ni kan mala garam ba ke interfere bi interfere widu dam kal ba counter man la da chi bilin mala da bi to ko ni bu ko so la ma cha interfere no me la ba to go mate ka information to want to that at the same time la chi wan ra go ka so bi to ro bi ka interfere go ne ke ga da ro so mi chi ka interfere go ne ke ga da ro so bi no mo baram kel bukake do ni babalo baram kel bala so along panalaram ta go ro bangar lo jo so let's say you boy there jin garo gude wala jin nan whatever it is a jin go yen medit na ma kwanan ko go nyet na ma bala ne go jin go nya dangaro kwana lar nya dangaro ti go re ku do go der sa da ku di an kwadir lat na ko go be tay no da ro bi ngalo lo dan so go nya dangaro ku la cha ko kuidien nyam kal go nyam pa nyam kal kino pa yo go so ngo mo me chi wale ka kan dang ro lo we chi wa woni ta karam kan da information ka ba karam kan da information la that one is true e wona na man lo ka ala ka to kan you forgetting tam ya proactive kan retroactive ana ko lo ke ka proactive interfere no pro ala word pro no tam woni ta ala word pro in general lo no men ba la shara go kenyam me to ko no go ko na ke men ba ka kenyam ala information da here la ala information can learn kenyam they can interfere with the record of the new material that means ala information tinchi ja ko mare kenyam kan logo be information di din botel kwana la kenyam pa ko gwaro pa ko so jin nyame da ne ci gur kenyam la ke dia ke la da je bi ka ro dien ga gudu lokal wole ngin nyama ta ga mane bishi wale ni nyam tak na godur ga char mi ti to ga ci anda go ga ye ne je ke ni chen do go la nyu ji bi ga kan wora lok ko cha ko blog nga e chen nyam e wal ala proactive pro lo before ala information tin ci learn before become new information become blog ka wa ci do bare so no ma bi information da tak ya ga ti bi ka parwech tiri bi ga ti ala proactive par mo kon ka retroactive Retroactive are going back. That means we are going back. Retro means go move backward. We call we talk. Ala go me ala jin nyaru mun jididun fa jakatan. Ala information dia tan ji rong we du chi we wal ti dia ala le chi ko por kat ke dia. So ta reverse. Retro going back. That means you don't need to go back. Tin dia lan go ni chi do jaw thom be ka parwage. We go to jidinitary. So if new information interfere with our ability to remember the whole one. So all information retroactive, all information bega parwe kan dia. La jin dam bitin wona wana lu kan yaran bitin la nyam taga me. Ka proactive ti la nyam logun nyam jidi ran logun yin ko wara yudu. Retroactive interference la nyam dan sika bat nyam jidi da majen silo nong ni ko silo yik ni ja kan nyam ta wirta cha retroactive. So cha talk ni one of the new memory for whole, which is displacement zero. New memory for whole, like displacement zero, that are now check retroactive interference, but by you the Roman one. Alaka displacement zero, it is not due to interference. Information it sinang, she can chat, but can interfere and information is chat. Google thing together, same time battery, katokor kanoro dian. But alamika nyam. Read the information go on and can them take a look at who they move be yo take a look at them slow with the wheel of the government. Particularly at the same time, she made them at the work, but interfere and one left to pocket that we could be kale. They could interfere for our uncle to watch. But go displacement, 10 yam chickachar to cheer again, so chickachar on it. Could work we can learn that they're all that women now about. I don't know mostly around Jacka tell me more. So let's say she for the shit one. Take a number of camera, go no more and call me back. She never even come out here or she or she. So Brown will come back. Mr. I will take a core 5 minutes thing to walk to cocaine to win and then be numbered down for 11 times per week. We do. The man shall new memory for the whole one. Allow displacement theory. So no man, I don't go long short term memory take a limit, but Chadaman to a long term memory. Go long term memory, not over 10 channel learn or wallet. Don't about the mythical to room, which you can't get it. But I'm not longer short term memory. Motivated forgetting. Yes. Demotivated forgetting. This type of forgetting, along to we are Sigmund Freud, a good psychologist. Just sometime, what I can't work per weight and not come. Okay, you don't work per weight. A question. What I can't work per weight and not come. Was we are Sigmund Freud. Were those memories that are too threatening or painful to live with? I just draw la barca. And it one. Jin take around the Michi jail. Take a guard to Chico to the long Chico. Jack Chico be remembered in time to get Chico like a jack. Look, Alana would not take a middle of very threatening, painful, which you call Jack. No queen to go to a chi then a charable, while a palliative. That is true. The upper way allowed the palliative chi charter, but we do ban. No matter. Why shall I forgetting? Queen forget it with them. Why shall Chigarma Simon Preach and which all refreshing?
and then na go ka
part commercially what we call
na go hacha
depend psychological depend mechanism refreshing the hormone go che ta kan lokatin bi dak dor la ga na dor tit ki bi ja ko forget ke tit ko logo di ta but it disturb ni chang ta ko logo yen no so today many psychology prefer to use the more than term which are more better forgetting when you wala john singman prayer refreshing ke self protective process okay so suppression. So this self-protective process, solving one prayer, refreshing, case suppression. Today is having John motivated for getting. The last one, a cue independent for getting. Which our cue. Allow an item of information. When that con Jaku, that con specific information and go con that con take it. Or any door take a door me. Mela da ko la ke tong no la take me symbol me de la ka ta ko na mo bi la na de. Let's say ta ko do mo shuti no ka yoten. So ko logo goro bi jian ko ba ko logo rumbe paro don te rambe jono. Di mo ya jadu mo bar ka lu te no no ka janta para mo di uti de ko jadu ba mo ngi ja. No mo jin q adore me de do item te no ko mo de information go ko da kon ma jabe. So let's say room which jian Sure, run cha jam cha ban job. Do you think this year pan dia ben ni? No ma den cha the cue dependent forgetting. I will miss cue so tell ka do wala forgetting ba to due to cue ka wa bas. Pan mi jam je de do remember. So we really on related retrieval cue we need to remember. When we lack this retrieval cue, a cue and we may feel as if we lost the code number for entry in the mind library. Exactly. So today last part memory ka doctor na memory so look the normal memory performance be improve so you need to pay attention like me take like profile fini go especially this video profile fini memory do ngani ko do go the encoding information in more than one way take a look to one bala no go be information be encode la memory more do look to one to do can encode ko da ngaro so wala ga do ka long da je but there mo do to one to cha then hard meaning ala mo le do she ko take me go be encode ka memory mo da ka meaning ko ko ta gwam ko le jongen again take your time you need to sleep okay the ultimate way to do that so another ones overlearn okay you starting information even after you think you already know it. That means ta don't do the quen chunking an A B C D E so it doesn't mean that you should not can the answer room is no written A B C D E so at this by time so one more is your upper learning but no more by we do okay then monitor your learning that means you need to test yourself frequently. Problem you need to